guys? Good morning. It is February 1st, 5 o'clock in the morning. Over on the East Coast, we're looking at XRP/USD. Ticker symbol XRP/USD. This is a daily chart. Guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome all of the XRP flare holders, or if you are not part of the XRP community, hopefully you enjoy this video. Maybe you will join the XRP community at some point. Let's take a look here at the charts. What's going on? We are currently down 1.17% yesterday, which was the 31st of January. Finished the day up 3.2%. Nice day for the XRP community. So we're going to zoom in here, guys, and share a couple things on the chart that I see. Of course, not financial advice. I went ahead and put a yellow resistance line right here on this chart, connecting some of these major highs, kind of wedging down. And the reason why I did that is more for a visual. I don't put too much weight on that, especially when it's this short in time. But I did put it on the chart because if we start to get a break above it, then we could be heading up to our next target levels, and we have a bunch of them up there. So that is why that yellow line is on the chart, connecting basically the high of the, let's see here, the 24th or the candle body, I should say, of the 24th of January and the 30th of January. So that's number one, looking for a break above this yellow line here. It could take place today, might be tomorrow. We'll see what happens here. Get a break above that for XRP. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 target areas, guys, at resistance. So we have resistance right here that really came into play on the 23rd of January. And we have 4 levels up there. So these lines on my chart represent targets. They also represent overhead resistance for some period of time. Sometimes that lasts much longer. Sometimes it's only a couple hours or maybe less. So we have a 42,900, which is our first. Our second is a 43,073. Our third is a 43410. And our fourth, which is a price level I just put on the chart this morning, which is 43,537. So 43,537. That is this blue line, a little bit tough to see, I'm sure, right there. So we have a cluster of resistance levels at that area. That area has been resistance for a while. It used to be support. If you look over in this September, October, November timeframe, all these candle wicks, guys, the bottom of this range was support, and that was right at our 4 levels. But that flipped on the 9th, and eventually the price came back up to it, which it has on the 23rd of January right here, guys. But it has been resistance. So what was one support flipped into resistance, and as normal price action here, the price is struggling to get back up into that range. So it tried to breach that range right here, got pushed back down, and we'll see. It appears to be that some more time needs to go by before the price is ready to get back up into that range. So 42,900, 43,073, 43,410, 43,537 are the 4 ranges that are closest to the price above the market. We also have another range for XRP, which is this takes us past this high here of the 23rd. So this would look something like, let's say, for example, this took place today. We got a breakout past our 4 levels right here. We broke out past this high of the 23rd. Now we're up into this range. So we have a potential target up here at 45,546. 45546. It's this light colored blue line on the chart. 45546, which is right where that arrow is pointing. Let's see what that would be on a percentage breakout from currently where we're at now, which is 4203. That would be a 13, call it a 13% move higher to that second target. So we are of course bullish on XRP. We have been for more than a couple years now, but you can't argue with the cycles of the market. Doesn't mean we aren't bullish long term. Also, I want to share with you, by the way, that is a 45546 price, 45546. XRP did close above our 40167 yesterday right here. We are back at it basically today, 40199. So it would be nice to see support show up for XRP at that level. It is an important area we want to see not flipped into resistance, but turned into support. We had that big break on the 30th, flipped yesterday. Today we are testing the waters. Guys, we found support there. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 days here within this early January, mid to early January timeframe. So if the price is going to continue higher here, it needs to find support there before marching higher. And if it doesn't, there's a chance it's going to roll over and head down to the 38,760 or perhaps even lower, 37,620. So that is something to keep your eye on. Welcome to the channel if you are new. And I appreciate all of these subscribers who have been around for a while as well. Something else you could do here for the XRP chart is you could take this high over here on the 23rd, which is roughly 43,285. Throw some fibs up there. Go to the low here on the 30th, which is, let's see, what is that low? The low is 38,593. So roughly, we'll call it right there. And you could do this, and this will give you upper price, basically price targets if and when the price breaks out. So some of them are pretty close to our levels, others not so much. The 1618 fib level is at 46.39. We have some levels right there at 46 and 45. That's right in here. The 2618 is up there at 51.9. Ours is at 50. So pretty close, but not exact. And let's see here, moving on higher, guys, the 4236 Fibonacci level up there at 62. We have a level at 61 and 63. Sandwiched in between. Here's where things get a little interesting is the, let's see, what fib is this? Let's see, what fib is that? The 5 fib number here is at 68 cents, and we have 2 targets at 68, so that lines up quite nice. I don't know if we have anything else above the market. We do up here at 96 cents. We have an 8 fib right up here. We have one of our levels as there as well, and that might be it above the market. Let's see here, $4 XRP, guys. That'll be the day. 21 fib number up there at the $4.18, and our targets are 475, 497. So there is, and then up here we don't have anything, but you can see a 34 fib is an $18 XRP. The fib numbers go on into perpetuity, so you can just keep adding the fib numbers. Doesn't mean that those are targets for XRP at all, but if price gets up in and around a fib number, you can look for price reaction. So that's why I have those fib numbers up there in those super high levels. So a quick recap, guys, on this chart is It would be great to see support show up for XRP at the 40167 line, which is currently right where it's at today. Nice support there, tells us that the price is potentially ready to move higher. We have 4 resistance levels right above the market that are current resistance for this pattern here, which really found resistance on the 23rd and 24th of January. 42,900, 43,073, 43,410, and a new level is 43,537. That's those cluster of 4 right here. Another new target above the market is 45,546. That's a 13% move higher for XRP. So that is going to wrap it up, guys. Remember, we're trying to get back into this whole trading range here. It is holding the price down. It's a weight on XRP shoulders. It used to be support, got flipped big time in the FTX debacle. Traded sideways, ready to get back up, finding some struggle. Perhaps just a little bit more time it needs before it can get back up into this whole range here. As you can tell, we have a ton of XRP targets on the chart. As I zoom out here, we have lines all over the place. Very busy chart. But as price moves either down or up, we have areas of support and resistance along the way, just as needed when price gets close. So that's my thoughts on XRP. We are bullish, but of course we need the market to participate. Things take time. Patience are a key here. All right, guys, appreciate it. Welcome to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Join us here. Hit the subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Have a great February 1st. Maybe we'll get a nice big green day for XRP.